So today we are going to cover the topic absorbent mind. Now, what do you understand by absorbent? If we look at the literary meaning, what do you understand by that? What do you perceive? Yes, Uma. What does absorbent means to you?
Absorbent mind.
No, absorbent. The term absorbent. What does the term absorbent means to you?
Absorbent. The meaning नहीं याद
मतलब क्या absorbent कि क्या मतलब अब समझ में आ रहा है मतलब what do you understand by the term absorbent? To take in something or take in everything. ठीक है. So Maria Montessori, she was a doctor as well as an educationist. So she studied the growing mind of a child from birth to adolescent. तो उसने हमारी she presented this concept के from birth to 6 years of age, approx 6 years of age, जो है बच्चे का absorbent mind काम कर रहे होते हैं. And this idea, it was like she was ahead of us. उसके जो लोग थे वहां पे, उसके दौर के लोग, वो उससे 100, जो जीनियस होता है ना हमेशा, जैसे थॉमस एडिसन है और ये जितने जीनियसेस हैं, ये इनकी जो इतने जीनियस होते हैं, ये इट्स लाइक वो हम इसको ऐसा समझ सकते हैं कि वो हमारे अपने दौर के लोगों से 100 years आगे होते हैं. सिमिलरली जो रिसर्च जो थ्योरीज अब काम हो रहा है, शी वर्कड ऑन इट 100 years बैक, और वो अब बिल्कुल ट्रू प्रूव हो चुकी है, मतलब ट्रू है वो बिल्कुल. सो एब्जॉर्बेंट माइंड इज लाइक अ स्पंज लाइक कैपेसिटी, जिसमें क्या होता है कि टू एब्जॉर्ब एवरीथिंग anything from the environment with totality, and it is necessary to create an individual from his or her specific culture. वो हर चीज अपने अंदर एब्जॉर्ब कर लेते हैं, हर चीज, each and everything, just by living inside that environment. और इसी तरह उसकी लैंग्वेज रिक्वायरमेंट, उसकी मूवमेंट, उसकी कल्चर, सब इसी तरह इसके अंदर आती है. नाउ इफ आई गिव यू एन एग्जांपल, कि अगर हम कोई लैंग्वेज सीखते हैं, सो टू लर्न अ लैंग्वेज, इवन इफ वी लिव फॉर 60 years, तो हम उस लैंग्वेज को उतनी उतनी अच्छी तरीके से, उतने, यानी कि बहुत सारी ग्रामर्स, उसके जो जोक्स, उसकी जो लॉजिक्स हैं, वो उतनी अच्छे से नहीं हमें आ सकती जितने कि एक 6 साल तक के बच्चों को हम जहाँ एक्सपोज करते हैं उनको आती हैं. आपने अक्सर देखा होगा शोज में, बाद शोज में आते हैं 5-5, 6-6 साल के बच्चे, 4-4 साल के बच्चे, जो कि एक से ज्यादा लैंग्वेज बात कर रहे होते हैं. वो, और ये कोई ऐसा नहीं है कि वो बहुत जीनियस है. आप एक बच्चा जब पैदा होता है, आप उसको मुख्तलिफ लैंग्वेजेस से वो एक्सपोज करें, तो वो जो है वो हर लैंग्वेज में बात करेगा जिस लैंग्वेज से एक्सपोज करते हैं. एंड आई वाज वर्किंग विद एन ऑटिस्टिक चाइल्ड, 6 years का था वो. एंड उसको उर्दू भी समझ आती थी, जर्मन भी आती थी, फिलिपिनो लैंग्वेज भी आती थी. he was an autistic child, even though he couldn't speak. उसका प्रॉब्लम क्या था कि उसकी, we were teaching him how to make sentences, but he could understand all these other languages very well, क्योंकि उसको जो है वो, उसके पेरेंट्स ने उसको उसको जो है बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपोजर दिया था लैंग्वेजेस का. वो हर लैंग्वेज में उसको कार्टून, हर लैंग्वेज को प्रोग्राम सिखाया करते थे, because they wanted to, because they knew this child has some problem, so they wanted to enhance his कैपेबिलिटी, तो उनको जो समझ में आया उन्होंने उस तरह किया, लेकिन वो सारी लैंग्वेजेस समझ सकता था लेकिन ही कुडंट स्पीक, बिकॉज इसका मेन प्रॉब्लम जो ऑटिस्टिक बच्चों का वो होता है कि उसकी जो स्पीच थी ना, इट वाज डिलेड. So now every little child learns to speak his mother tongue with all the vocabulary, grammar, syntax, everything, just by living in that environment. ऐसा ही है कि अगर आप किसी चाइनीज बच्चे को लेके आए और आप उसको जो है वो उर्दू एनवायरनमेंट में रखें, तो ही इज नॉट गोइंग टू स्पीक चाइनीज, ही इज जस्ट गोइंग टू लर्न उर्दू, because the child learns in totality from the environment in which he is living in. और ये जो टोटालिटी से चाइल्ड एब्जॉर्ब करे हर चीज, उस माइंड को कहते हैं एब्जॉर्बेंट माइंड. कि जस्ट बाय लिविंग इन द एनवायरनमेंट द चाइल्ड इज एब्जॉर्बिंग एवरीथिंग. अब अगर आप को एक लॉजिकल सी बात है कि अगर हम सोचें कि कभी हम जो है बहुत सारी चीज़ें हम ऐसी होती हैं कि कभी फादर से इनहेरिट कर रहे होते हैं, कभी मदर से. कभी सोचा है कि वो ऐसा क्यों होता है? बिकॉज आप इवन बच्चा 3 साल की उम्र तक जिन चीज़ों को एक्सपोजर उसको मिल रहा होता है, जो एटीट्यूड्स का मिल रहा होता है, जो टेम्परामेंट उसका घर में चल रहा होता है, तो वो उसके अंदर एब्जॉर्ब होता रहता है. एंड इट शोज इट्स कलर sometimes in adolescence, sometimes as an adult. So we should be very, very careful when we are exposing a child, even कहते हैं कि from prenatal, बच्चे पैदा होने से पहले से, if you expose a child to expose your body as a mother, pregnant mother, body to a good environment, the child is going to have a good nature. Now, as the child absorbs words and their meaning along with the context and the emotions behind the words, she begins to construct the ability to communicate. Now, इसमें क्या होता है absorbent mind में, as the child absorbing words and meanings, so the child starts to make connection between words, between words and meanings, and the ability to communicate with others, ability to communicate his thoughts with others, they start building in. Now, what actually is an absorbent mind? The question, if you look at this question, what actually is an absorbent mind? The absorbent mind from birth to approximately 6 years of age. The young child experiences a period of intense mental activity that allows the child to absorb learning from his environment without conscious effort, naturally and spontaneously. यानी कि आप 6 years तक जैसे अब आप देखें कहते हैं कि नमाज 7 years पे बच्चा नमाज पढ़ना शुरू हो जाए, लेकिन उसकी ट्रेनिंग जो होती है वो होती है बिल्कुल स्टार्टिंग से. यानी कि आप 4 years का बच्चा है, आप 3 years का है, तो लेट द चाइल्ड स्टैंड विथ यू व्हाइल प्रेइंग. डोंट फोर्स द चाइल्ड बट गिव हिम अ स्मॉल मैट, समथिंग लाइक दैट. सो वो अपने अंदर एब्जॉर्ब करे, उसका माइंड अपने अंदर एब्जॉर्ब करे ये चीज़ें, learn करे वो activities that is going to come out when a child reaches the age after 6. Now there are 2 stages of absorbent mind. एक होता है conscious stage होता है, एक होता है unconscious stage. Now unconscious stage जो है वो उसका बहुत ही अच्छा एग्जाम्पल ये है कि like if you pour red color water and you pour blue color water on the table, फिर आप उसको जो है एक स्पंज आपने रख दिया उसके ऊपर, what happens, the sponge absorbs all the water. वो रेड भी absorb कर लिया उसने, ब्लू भी absorb कर लिया. So that means the child is the child's mind is absorbing everything. कोई effort नहीं लगा रहा है, effortless, just by living in that environment. Now the child, now वो जो चीजें जो 0 to 3 years वो सीखता है, ठीक है, effortlessly. Now when 3 to 6 years वो हमारे हाथों में आता है, so we as directresses, we have to build upon those skills that the child has learned. जो सीख चुका होता है ना, अब हम उस पर build upon करते हैं. And how do we do that? We give the child a prepared environment. ठीक है. Now prepared environment doesn't mean कि आपने रूम में toys भर दिए. No, A prepared environment is an environment that is made according to the child's need, child-sized furniture. Everything is accessible to the child. Everything is smooth. Everything is shiny, bright and shiny. Everything is, there's nothing repaired. There's nothing broken. Everything is meticulously looking. Why? Because the child is going to take this absorbing is going to absorb this impression from the environment also. देखो, environment also plays such a good, such a like क्या कहेंगे, such a part, learning part in the child's mind or उसके life में, कि the environment is telling the child this is how something, this is how a perfection is. ठीक है, मैं वो बता रहा है एनवायरमेंट से ही बच्चों को हम बता रहे हैं, जब वो बच्चा हमारे पास आता है हम बच्चों को एनवायरमेंट देते हैं, वो एनवायरमेंट से ही बच्चों को हम मैसेज दे रहे हैं कि दिस इज हाउ थिंग्स आर, दिस इज हाउ परफेक्ट थिंग्स शुड बी, एवरीथिंग इज कंप्लीट. ठीक है, तो फिर क्या होगा कि बच्चे के अंदर डिसिप्लिन पैदा होगा. बिकॉज द मोटो क्या है, हमने ये पढ़ा था, एवरीथिंग हैज अ प्लेस ऑफ इट्स ओन एंड एवरीथिंग शुड बी केप्ट बैक टू इट्स प्लेस. Now, in the unconscious stage, the child learns to sit, stand, walk, speak without any conscious effort. And the infant will look at everything without discriminating. And this is a period the child is trying, it will mimic, will do all the pretend play also. आपको mimic करेगा. So you have to, being a mother, we have to be a role model. Now, इसमें जो अनकॉन्शियस स्टेज है, अनकॉन्शियस जो एब्जॉर्मेंट माइंड है, सी इसमें बच्चे को पता ही नहीं चलता कि whatever he is experiencing is building up his character, is building his skills. Okay, so जो we were doing this one. Wait. ठीक है, हम ये कर रहे थे ना. Now, the unconscious में क्या होता है कि the child is not making any effort. Without effort, everything is like helping the child, strengthening his powers, his muscles. For example, the unconscious powers do not have any aims or purposes. For example, the infant who is lying on the back, लेटा हुआ है, so उस लेटने से क्या हो रहा है कि his back muscles are being strengthened, but he's not aware of this process. वो aware नहीं कि वो ऐसे लेटा हुआ है तो उससे हुआ है, लेकिन it is happening. So during this stage, the child acquires from the environment a language. He learns to think in that language. He absorbs all the customs around him, and then which becomes a part of himself. So unconscious हम इसलिए कहते हैं कि unconsciously whatever the child is watching, एक तो होता है purposeful, कि the child wants to do the pouring activity. For example, उसने जग उठाया, उसने ये pouring की, ठीक है, this is the unconscious. ठीक है, अब पानी गिर गया या lentils हैं उसमें वो गिर गए, second time he is going to be careful, third time is going to be more careful, and one stage he will reach कि वो जब pouring कर रहा है तो उसमें से कुछ भी नहीं गिरा. ठीक है, so the child is consciously building his concentration, is consciously perfecting himself, conscious होके कर रहा है because he knows about it. लेकिन जो unconscious stage होता है absorbent mind का, the child is just acquiring information and that is becoming part of his character, his personality, and which is going to mold him in the future, which is going to decide which type of person is going to be. So till 3 years of age, always expose the child to rich environment. Rich environment doesn't mean money. It means rich environment with good traditions, with knowledge, with good habits, good behavior, good language. So till 3 years of age, the child will unconsciously take in everything from the environment. Okay. Now, second stage is the conscious stage. This is from 3 to 6 years of age. Around this age of 3, we begin to see the emergence of consciousness. अब क्या होता है? 3 साल का बच्चा बोलता है मैं करूंगा. होता है ना ऐसा? I am going to do this. I can do this, mama, I can do this. क्या होता है वो उसकी कॉन्शियसनेस बनना शुरू होती है, उसकी मैं बनना शुरू होती है, उसकी इंडिपेंडेंस बनना शुरू होती है. ठीक है? So we have as being as mothers and educators, as Montessori directors, we have to be very, very, very careful. We have to choose our words. We have to be very careful of our actions, because we cannot hurt this person who is going to be the adult of tomorrow. Now, till the conscious absorbent stage जो होती है, conscious absorbent mind stage जो होती है, it is also like a sponge. Everything the child is absorbing, लेकिन अब conscious हो गए. And I've given you a very good example of this. कैसे conscious हो गए कि you have given him an exercise, एक दफा किया, clumsily हुआ, गिर गया, ठीक है, वो चीज mission was not accomplished. He will do it second time. He might do it third time until he has conquered. उसने बिल्कुल perfect किया, and then the child is going to lose interest. And this is where our observational skills come in. When we're going to observe the child, ठीक है, उसने ये चीज pouring he has done. Now we have to give the child something different. Any other activities. और different activities का मतलब नहीं है कि alternate activities. Different activities का मतलब है कि now we have to build upon that activity. We have to build up on difficulties. So always remember, it doesn't mean एक बच्चे ने एक चीज कर ली activity, you are not supposed to give him other activities similar to that activity. अब आप उसका stages change करोगे, ठीक है? Stage by stage, you're going to build up, जैसे brick by brick build करते हैं ना, तो ऐसे we build upon those activities. Now, in this phase, all the children, they are developing the skills they have already acquired. Now he is learning. He is going to learn things like order, sequencing, numbers, music, letters, and sounds, which will eventually lead to math, reading, and writing skills, as well as other social skills. Now, ये वो स्टेज होती है जब बच्चे का I इंडिपेंडेंस डेवलप होने लगती है. So we should not suppress, we should not put our, हमें अपनी जो मैं होती है ना वहाँ cut down करना होगा. We have to give the child a chance to be independent. Independent कैसे? हमारे जो practical life exercises हैं, there are so many practical life exercises that helps the child grow his consciousness to become independent and strong. और उसमें हमने प्रैक्टिकल लाइफ एक्सरसाइज के जो लेक्चर था उसमें आपको याद होगा हमने बहुत सारी चीज़ें पढ़ी थी. कोऑर्डिनेशन ऑफ मूवमेंट्स, कंसंट्रेशन, उसके बॉडी मूवमेंट, बैलेंस, social skills, love for the environment, all these things that come into play. Then the child begins to show a strong desire to be independent without any adult's help. Yes, we are going to see this. जब हम practical exercise करेंगे तो वहाँ पे, and when you're going to go for observations also, I'm going to show you videos also how children want to be independent. Now, The child wants to become the master of his own mind, body, and environment. And how can the child be that? We have to give him a prepared environment that caters towards all his needs. Now, the adult who give unnecessary help or creates dependency becomes an obstacle to the child. अब बजाय tantrums जो throw करता है, कभी हमने सोचा है वो क्यों करता है? क्योंकि उसकी इंडिपेंडेंसी के आगे हम ब्लॉक करके खड़े हैं. We are not letting the child practice his independency. In fact, we are not teaching the child anything. If बच्चे की आप बहुत से लोग होते हैं प्लेस बांध रहे हैं. Why? Teach the child to do that. But the child at in a Montessori, a child is able to button and unbutton his shirt also. So till with the child which is 3 years of age, you should not dress him up. Let the child do it. Let the independency grow. Okay, so up till now everything is clear. The difference between conscious absorbent mind and unconscious absorbent mind. Yes, Humayun Afshin.
Yes, ma'am.
So everything is clear right now till now. कि conscious
Yes.
absorbent mind और unconscious absorbent mind क्या होता है? Conscious absorbent mind जो होता है वो from 3 to 6 years of age होता है. Unconscious absorbent mind जो होता है वो 0 to 3 years होता है.
Again बोलिए मैम.
Sorry?
Okay.
Okay.
Again.
There are two types of minds. Actually, there are not two types of mind. The absorbent mind is divided into two stages. एक होता है from 0 to 3 years, it is called unconscious absorbent mind. 3 to 6 years, it is called conscious absorbent mind. जो unconscious absorbent mind है, the child is building his faculties, his skills unconsciously without knowing that by just living in the environment. ठीक है, सबसे बेसिक उसकी स्किल लैंग्वेज डेवलप होती है. द चाइल्ड लर्न्स टू कम्युनिकेट. इफ यू एक्सपोज द चाइल्ड टू डिफरेंट वैरायटी ऑफ लैंग्वेजेस, द चाइल्ड इज गोइंग टू लर्न एवरीथिंग इन टोटलिटी एंड नॉट गोइंग टू डिस्क्रिमिनेट, और बिल्कुल फ्लुएंटली बात करेगा. If you want to teach a child language, the best thing is to teach the child when the child is below 6 years of age. Okay. Now, example also can be given. नानी है, वो उनका अलग कल्चर, दादी का अलग कल्चर, मॉम का अलग कल्चर, डैड का. All four of them are speaking different languages. The child is going to learn the languages and the child is going to communicate with them in their languages. मामा से अलग language बात कर रहे हैं because mama talks in English. पापा में पंजाबी बात कर रहे हैं तो he is going to talk in Punjabi with the papa. तो क्या हो रहा है कि there's the mixture of languages in the environment, but the child is absorbing everything. But the clash comes when you try to talk in Urdu and English at the same time. If you're talking in Urdu, just Urdu, no English. If you're talking in English, no Urdu, no other language, only English. If you're talking in some other Arabic, so no English words, no Urdu words, just Arabic. So this is how the child is going to learn. And this is how you're going to discipline his mind. ठीक है, तो ये था हमारा unconscious absorbent mind. The child is doing things in the environment जिसको हम उसको provide कर रहे हैं, and the child is learning without making an effort. Now, conscious absorbent mind, the child is building upon his skills. अब उसको hand movement आती है, can hold things because the child has learned that in the unconscious absorbent mind period. Now in the conscious absorbent mind, वहाँ पे वो consciously absorb कर रहा है, but the child is learning everything in totality. जो basic exercise होती है, that is pouring beans की basic exercise होती है. Rolling a mat, that is the basic exercise. So the child is rolling a mat. उसने एक दफा रोल किया, अच्छा रोल नहीं हुआ. Second time roll किया, third time. The child is continuously at work until the child perfects. यहाँ consciously वो work कर रहा है. That is the conscious absorbent mind. Now we come to the conclusion. Okay, Montessori's understanding of the power of the absorbent mind in the first 6 years of life is a great gift. It teaches us that we can prepare a rich environment for the young child, and as he lives simply in the environment, he's going to absorb everything from it and learn everything. So if you want to 6 years तक बच्चे का इतना critical किस्म का period है कि अगर आपने बच्चे को अच्छा इंसान बनाना है तो आपने 6 years तक you have to give the child a perfect environment in the house as well as where child is studying. Then in the Montessori early childhood program हमारे शुरू होते from 2.5 to till 6 years of age. We introduce the children to all manners of interesting activities including language, mathematics, science, music, art and geometry. अब क्या होता है चाहे बच्चा जो है is learning through self-chosen engaging activities and build a solid base habit of thoughtful concentration and structured learning. Now don't go into all these details. इसमें ये है कि जब बच्चा खुद से because see ये भी मैंने आपको बताया था कि जब हम practical exercise करते हैं any exercise we do we always take consent from the child. Would you like to do this? Invite the child and always invite the child. So what happens उसकी independency जो है वो build up हो जाती है. And when he does anything, even if you have chosen for him, he will think that he has chosen himself. वो खुशी खुशी करेगा. So you would just give him a choice. Even mothers, being mothers, जो है वो we should give choices to our children. लेकिन वो choices वो होंगे healthy choices and वो choices वो होंगे जो कि you know that this is best for your child. So never say no. You have to wear this. Just give the child a choice. You want to wear this. You want to wear this. You want to eat this. You want to eat this. बच्चे ने choose किया, that becomes his choice. So child learns through his self-chosen activities, engages himself, gains concentration, and there emerges a young man. 6 years के बाद बच्चे के अंदर हैबिट डेवलप करना बहुत ज़्यादा मुश्किल होता है. फिर वहाँ पे जो है क्योंकि till 6 years of age there is no concept of reward and punishment. The child is not looking for reward and punishment. But after 6 years of age क्या होता है कि ऐसे नहीं करोगे तो I will do this. कंडीशन आ जाती है we give the child reward, we give the child punishment. तो यहाँ पे मामला खराब हो जाता है. So if we want to curtail a child for good habit to be a good person, so we have to do it in 6 years of age. So that's it. So any questions you want to ask?
No, ma'am, I haven't any question.
मुझे बताएं कि क्या समझ आया है. Okay, let's talk about this. So this is the assignment. Importance of absorbent mind in a child's life.